kind of a day is it anyway, huh? Why, it's a day just like any other day.
No, it isn't. Today is
what?
somebody's birthday.
Oh, that's nice.
Have a happy birthday. You're the lucky one. It's your very special day. Have a lot of fun. Have a happy birthday. Things are gonna be great. Just relax, enjoy yourself. Time to celebrate. 365 days seem like an awful lot. Then before you know it,
Another year is shot.
have a happy birthday, whether you're 90 or 2. We would like to wish a happy birthday to you.